Mr. Seha is in the middle of Seoul, reviewing the Lotte World standing tall and resplendent against the Seoul skyline like a modern-day colossus. Lotte World Tower reigns as an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of South Korea's soaring ambitions. As the tallest building in the country and one of the tallest in the world, its sleek, glass-clad façade pierces the heavens, reflecting the sun's rays by day and illuminating the cityscape with a mesmerizing glow by night. Crowned by a gleaming spire that seems to touch the very sky, Lotte World Tower embodies a harmonious blend of cutting-edge design and timeless elegance. Its towering presence commands attention, drawing visitors from far and wide to marvel at its sheer magnitude and grandeur. Within its walls lies a world of wonders, where panoramic views from the observation deck offer breathtaking vistas of Seoul's sprawling metropolis, while world-class amenities and attractions beckon travelers to indulge in luxury and leisure. Lotte World Tower stands not only as a beacon of architectural prowess, but also as a testament to Seoul's unwavering spirit of innovation and progress.